me about your invention.
Well, we made a toy machine.
A toy machine. Tell us more.
So this is a camera, and you got to put the coin right here, and it'll feel how heavy it is, and it'll give you the coin that costs that much. And this makes sure nobody just grabs and gets them, because it doesn't have like a thing to protect it, because we couldn't find any clear Legos.
Oh, so you need some clear Legos to make like a cover on it. Okay, great.
And this is like the light, so it can like show like all the toys. This is like a thing that like if you want, it could you gotta sign up to use the thing, and this like takes the picture of who it is, and it puts a thumbs up on the screen or a thumbs down over here if they don't recognize you or if they do.
Okay.
And this is this clear Lego. The clear Lego right there, so you can see what you want and pay how much money. This, so no one could get in, and there's like something right here that brings you up to here and then goes up to here. And then there's a bridge so you could walk under it. There's a fireplace right here. And there's a teleporter.
And here's the controls to control where you go on the teleporter, and here's some glass that's bulletproof, so controls in here to block it.
Yeah, so you make stuff in here. Food.
So is this a house? What is this?
It's a ship house. Basically.
A ship house, like for space or for?
Yes, it's for space, and it also has like a force field around it, so none of the
meteorites
or anything from space gets into our.
What's that? That's cool. That's so it's blocking here because this is dangerous.
What does that do?
No,
what is that? Yeah.
It's dangerous because there's fire in there because the fire is sticking.